Hello student, here we discuss about the stereoisomers of MAA2B2 type complex. AA2 means bidentate ligand, two donor atoms are present in the one ligand, and two monodentate ligand. For example, COEN2 ethylene diamine or ethane 1,2 diamine, 1,2 ethane diamine, or we can say ethylene diamine, and two monodentate NO2 ligands are there. Here cobalt and oxalate ion means oxalate ion will be there, and there will be two donor atom also with two negative charge, and NO2Cl. I deliberately taken the same type of structures. So cis trans optical isomers, chiral molecule, everything we discuss. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Here if it is cis isomer, at that time NO2 CONO is this bond is having 90 degree, means two NO2 group are adjacent to each other and they are at cis position with 90 degree angle, symmetry absent, optically active, and chiral it will give two chiral optical isomers. They are called enantiomers. So CNO2 non-superimposable mirror image, and we are getting two enantiomers D and L form. So two enantiomer optical isomers are there, non-superimposable mirror image. So cis form having two enantiomers and trans isomers a chiral because there is symmetry. Okay, NO2 is here and EN is there. Suppose oxalate ion will be there, then we have to write an ox here, ox here, that's it, ox here. Okay, so it means whether it is COEN2NO2 or it is COX2NO2, both of them will form three stereoisomers. Okay, both complexes are different, but they are forming, they are MA2B2 type. So here 2, okay, here check it. So they will form same type of three stereoisomers, one trans and one two cis. See, this is trans and cis isomer. I told you this is cis and this is means chiral molecule. So optical isomers are there. So 1, 2 and 3 isomers of stereoisomers will be of this molecule complex or as well as this molecule. I told you that only you have to replace En by ox and you will get this oxalate ion. I will tell you C double bond O negative, C double bond O negative. This is oxalate ion, two negative charge, both of them are donor atom. Okay, so bonded to oxygen in this case. So NO2 trans to each other, NO2 cis to each other at 90 degree angle. Okay, this cis form give D and L optical isomers, non superimposable mirror image. This is mirror. Thank you for watching.